The visit of Your Excellency carries special political and strategic significance. It takes place in a regional and international context marked by uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, armed conflicts and genocides, economic instability, and the growing impacts of climate change. This experience demonstrates that, when guided by political dialogue and balanced solutions, cooperation can deliver lasting benefits to both countries, and it should serve as a reference for resolving the Greater Sunrise dossier, showing that it is possible to respect Timor-Leste's sovereignty while ensuring shared strategic advantages. It is important to recall that, as early as January 2006, following the signing of the CMATS agreement, the Prime Minister of the First Constitutional Government of Timor-Leste made clear about the commitment to processing Greater Sunrise resources in Timor-Leste. This was then and continues to be the position of Fretilin and its leadership. We have seen a systematic pursuit of a solution, and it is our hope that a resolution may be reached as swiftly as possible.